So we have done the technical and the slightly boring stuff. We have connected to a dataset. We created a DAX query for a date column, and then we linked that date column to our existing dataset using a relationship. Now we can start working with our first visualization. Here we have a list of visuals available. And for now, I'm going to choose the second one, which is the column chart. So I select my stat column chart and it appears in the window. We can increase the size a little bit. There are three options available here. So we have fields. The second one is format. And the third one is analytics. First off, in the fields pane, we want to put axis, legend, value, and tooltip. So we will select our sales field and then drag and drop it in value. That tells us that the total sales is 12,642,000. If I select my date column and then put it in axis, it breaks my total value of 12 billion into 4 years. And if I hover my mouse, I can see the value for all these 4 years. At the bottom of the visual, there are these 4 types of arrows available that allow us to interact dynamically with the visual. The second one is called turn on drill down. So if I don't select that and I select 2012, you notice that I'm simply highlighting the year, but it doesn't allow me to interact with the year. If I do that once again, after clicking on this button, which is turn on drill down, this time when I click on 2012, if you notice it takes me within 2012. That means now I can see quarter 1 of 2012, quarter 2 of 2012, and so on and so forth. Similarly, if I click on 2012 quarter 1, it takes me to every single month within the year and within the quarter. And if I click on January, it now tells me that this is the sales for the 7th of January in quarter 1 for the year 2012. To go back to a previous hierarchical level, we can click on the up arrow, and one level at a time, it takes us back 2 years. Let me turn this off. If I click on the double down arrow, I can go to the next level in the hierarchy. This means that when I click on this, right now I can see the total of quarter 1 for all the 4 years for 2012, 13, 14 and 15 combined. Again, if I click on the double down arrow, it is now showing me that if I add up the sales in the month of January for all the 4 years, the total would be 676,000. And one final time, if we go to a day level granular view, it tells us that if I look at every 17th of a month for the last 4 years, for 2012, 13, 14, 15, then the total sales of the 17th of a month would amount to 472,000. And finally, we have the expand button, which allows us to retain the previous hierarchical level and view the next one. For example, if I want to view the years and the quarters at the same time, I can click on the expand button and it shows me all the years and all the quarters. If I do this one more time, it shows me all the years, all the quarters, and all the months. And we can also go back like this.